guys, it's ASBYT, and today we're talking about OnePlus smartphones, McLaren, 5G, the Snapdragon 855, and a possible lake jump. Right, welcome back to the channel. Like I said, now, in my last OnePlus video, my full review of the OnePlus 6T, I said this. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I'll jump in that lake next time. We'll never get to 10,000, it's fine. 10,000 likes, next OnePlus video, I'll jump in the lake. Can't say fairer than that. What a ridiculous thing to say. Now this is my next OnePlus video after that one. So of course... Okay, so this is happening. There's a lake and I'm gonna jump in it. Or am I? Because I actually said in the video, if the video gets 10,000 likes, I'll jump in the lake. But actually the video's got now more than 11,000 likes, so that means I don't have to do it. I fooled you. You didn't think I'd actually go in there, did you? What? If I don't go in, I'll lose all credibility with the subscribers. I'm seriously not going to be going in there though, am I? Don't be ridiculous. It's like 3 degrees. What's that? My channel will die and I'll lose all respect. There's nobody there. I can't believe you guys are making me do this. That's the sort of... I give you unboxings, reviews, my opinion, hopefully helping you make the right purchase decisions, and you want to throw me in a lake. Where's the love? Well, it looks like the people have spoken. Time to take my keys, my wallet, my phone. Please don't make me do this. Okay, you win. In I go. If you ever say I don't do anything for you guys again, pretty sure it's silt as well, so I'm probably gonna drown, so great. All for YouTube views, eh? 3, 2, 1. I can't do it. If I'm not back out in like 1 minute, call the emergency services for me. Although how will you know, because this video won't be uploaded because I'll be in there. Great. 3, 2, 1. Well, that was straight up the coldest thing I've done ever. What was worse than the cold was how filthy that water was. So if I don't die of hypothermia, I'll catch a disease. Brilliant. You gotta love YouTube. I also thought it was gonna be a bit deeper than that, so it kind of just, I basically just slid into a lake. So not quite as dramatic as I had in my head. Hopefully next time, OnePlus can sponsor a trip for me to jump into a lake, a massive lake, somewhere else in the world that's a bit more glamorous than this. What do you think, OnePlus? Yay? Nay? What are you saying? I don't know what this is. What am I talking about? And to finish it off, I've got to think of another like goal. So if this video gets 50,000 likes, I'll do it again, but I'll do it naked. I won't, I'm not, no, I'm joking. I'm never ever gonna go in there naked. No thank you, not even 1 million likes. No, bye. Right, so I hope you did enjoy that. I certainly didn't. Still freezing. And now I'm probably gonna get ill, which is great, just in time for Christmas. Thanks to you guys, brilliant, cheers guys. But one thing I am going to enjoy is talking about new OnePlus devices. So, firstly we're gonna talk McLaren, because I have the invitation right here, as you can see, and it's one of the best invitations to an event I've ever received. Design-wise, good work OnePlus and McLaren. So I am going down to that event on the 11th of December, and there may be something new on the horizon for you guys, because OnePlus themselves actually tweeted, "Speed takes on new form in the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. Join OnePlus and McLaren on December the 11th. Now that tweet doesn't seem too cryptic. I believe we're going to possibly see a McLaren edition OnePlus 6T. There is a current trend at the moment for smartphone manufacturers to combine with like luxury cars, for example, bring it together and make a sort of super edition. And that I think we possibly may be seeing here, but I don't know. All will become clear on Tuesday. That's one day before my birthday, so what a great birthday present it would be if we can get our hands on a brand new device. And like I said, I will be going and bringing all the information back with me and giving it to you guys. So of course, if you do want to see that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you are new, and you turn on the notification bell so that when I post that video, you are notified. Now, staying with OnePlus, we're going to talk about possibly one or maybe even two more devices coming from them next year. But the reason why I say that is because we're not sure whether this information is for the OnePlus 7 or for another whole phone altogether, because OnePlus in the announcement were being a little bit cryptic. Now that announcement actually came from Pete Lau, the CEO, and this was in the Qualcomm Summit in Hawaii. Qualcomm launched the Snapdragon 855, which is going to be the SoC for all the main big flagship phones next year. Of course, the OnePlus 7 will be in that category, again announced by Pete Lau, will be one of the first, and I believe OnePlus will be pushing Samsung all the way next year to be the first to produce their device with the 855 SoC. But if history repeats itself, then the Samsung Galaxy S10 will be the first, like it is most years, in using that brand new SoC. Pete Lau also confirmed it will be no later than May. I'm excited for both of them. I can't wait to get my hands on them and test them and review them for you guys. And it is going to be 5G ready, 5G compatible, whatever you want to call it, on this specific device, as and when the networks become available in your different regions. Now, in the UK, for example, I believe EE are going to be one of the first, if not the first company to produce a 5G network. So again, we could see partnerships sort of emerging, 5G, extra speed, the speed you need. Again, it fits, doesn't it? They could also call it the OnePlus 5G. The brand new 7nm chip, the 855 Snapdragon, will be optional in terms of 5G connectivity. So yes, the Snapdragon 855 is capable of using a 5G network. You won't have to. So certain manufacturers will and certain won't. And you may see different model variants of a specific phone as well. And we might see this with the OnePlus 7. Not everyone is going to be pushing the 5G next year, because most networks aren't going to be really ready until 2020 or 2020 is better. Remember guys, if you want to stay up to date with all of the latest and greatest information on OnePlus, on smartphones in general, on tech in general, pretty much daily content here on YouTube, then make sure you are subscribed to the channel, you turn on the notification bell so that when I post those videos, you are notified. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. CSBYT, peace out.